Before buying an Omega watch, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Fossil Nutra Chronograph. The first watch on our list is the Fossil Nutra Quartz Stainless Steel Chronograph, priced at $129.95. What caught my attention is its striking blue sunray dial paired with a refined yet versatile design. If you want a watch that stands out without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This watch features a 40-form case and a chronograph movement, which means you can track time to the second, perfect for those who like precision. The hardened mineral crystal lens is scratch-resistant, so it can handle daily wear without a hitch. Plus, with a 50-meter water resistance, you can wear it while swimming or showering, although I wouldn't recommend diving. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The chronograph function is not just for show, it's practical for timing events or workouts. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from over 6,600 reviews, it's clear this watch resonates with buyers. Now, some people complained about the watch being a bit heavy. Here's the thing though, if you prefer a substantial feel, this is not a deal breaker. It actually gives you that classic watch presence. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish yet functional watch for everyday wear. Skip this one if you want something ultra lightweight. Honestly, for the price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if that weight concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Invicta Pro Diver. Up next is the Invicta Men's Pro Diver Quartz watch, priced at just $66.94. What caught my attention is its classic diving watch aesthetic that doesn't scream budget. If you want a reliable watch that can withstand water adventures without costing a fortune, this one's worth a look. With a 40-3 stainless steel case and luminous hands, you won't have trouble reading the time, even in low light. The Japanese quartz movement ensures that it keeps accurate time, while the 100-meter water resistance makes it suitable for snorkeling and swimming. This matters to you because if you're an active person or enjoy water sports, you need a watch that can keep up without worry. With a rating of 4.7 stars from nearly 20,000 reviews, it's clearly beloved by many. Now, some users mention the band being a bit bulky. Here's the thing, if you have smaller wrists, you might need to adjust it properly, but once you get that sorted, it's a great fit. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable watch for water activities. Skip this one if you want something more dressy. Honestly, for a diving watch at this price, you can't beat the value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a truly minimalist style. Product number 3, Stooling Original Dress Watch. Next up is the Stooling Original Men's Dress Watch, priced at $59.99. This caught my eye because of its ultra-slim design, perfect for anyone who prefers a low-profile look. If you're after elegance without excess bulk, this is a great choice. This watch features a 40mm stainless steel case and a lightweight design at just 7mm thick, which makes it super comfortable for all-day wear. The minimalist black dial exudes sophistication, ideal for both casual and formal occasions. Plus, the quick set date function means you get practicality without cluttering the design. Here's why this matters for you. It's versatile enough to transition from a business meeting to a night out without missing a beat. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 1,400 reviews, it's clear that customers appreciate its style and functionality. Now, some people have mentioned that the leather strap feels a bit stiff initially. Here's the thing though, give it some time and it'll soften up beautifully. This is perfect for you if you want a sleek watch that fits any occasion. Skip this one if you prefer a bulkier style. Honestly, for the quality and look, it's an incredible deal. If that sleek design is what you're after, then the next watch might surprise you with its classic twist. Product number 4, Citizen Classic Corso. Now let's talk about the Citizen Men's Classic Corso Eco Drive watch, which retails for $495. What caught my attention is its blend of style and eco-friendly technology. If you're looking for a timeless piece that's also kind to the planet, this is worth considering. The Eco Drive technology means this watch is powered by any light source, no need for battery changes. The 1-second chronograph feature is perfect for timing and tracking, And with a sapphire crystal, you're getting a scratch-resistant surface that stands the test of time. The 100-meter water resistance allows you to wear it worry-free during daily activities. Here's why this matters. If you're someone who appreciates both luxury and practicality, this watch combines both seamlessly. The 4.7-star rating from over 2,700 reviews shows it's a trusted choice. Here's the thing, if you value sustainability and quality, investing in this watch makes sense over time. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that combines elegance with eco-friendly features. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. Honestly, considering what you're getting, it's worth the investment. Now, if you're looking for something with a bold, oceanic design, let's check out our next pick. Product number 5, Bulova Marine Star. Last but not least is the Bulova Men's Marine Star Series C watch, priced at $371.95. What drew me in was its striking nautical-inspired design that feels fresh. If you're someone who loves the ocean and wants a watch that reflects that passion, this is a perfect fit. This watch features a two-tone stainless steel body with a 6-hand chronograph, allowing you to measure time with precision. The 200-meter water resistance means you can take this watch diving and not worry about damage. Here's why this matters for you. If you're an avid swimmer or sailor, you need a watch that can handle those conditions effortlessly. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,400 reviews, it's well regarded among buyers. Some users mention that the watch can feel a bit heavy on the wrist. Here's the thing, if you prefer a more substantial timepiece, that weight adds to its durability and presence. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that embodies adventure and style. Skip this one if you want something more understated. Honestly, for the quality and features, it's a fantastic choice. So to recap, we've covered 5 impressive Omega watches. The stylish Fossil Neutra for everyday wear, the budget-friendly Invicta Pro Diver for water lovers, the sleek Stooling Original for minimalist elegance, the eco-conscious Citizen Classic Corso, and the adventurous Bulova Marine Star. Whatever your style or needs, there's an Omega watch here for you. Make sure to think about what matters most to you before making a choice.